You're looking at Tesla's humanoid robot, Optimus, effortlessly sweeping floors, throwing away trash, opening cabinets, and, believe it or not, stirring a pot of food. That's right. Tesla is literally cooking. In a stunning new demonstration released by Tesla, Optimus showcases not just strength and mobility, but a level of delicate coordination we're more used to seeing from a trained chef than a robot. This isn't just a proof of concept or a flashy stunt. It's a real-world glimpse into how far Tesla has pushed the boundaries of robotics, and how close we are to seeing robots like Optimus taking on useful roles inside homes and factories. Elon Musk has long said that Optimus could become Tesla's most valuable product, and after seeing this video, that claim no longer sounds far-fetched. The neural network behind the magic. What sets this latest Optimus demonstration apart isn't just the range of tasks, it's the brain behind them. All of Optimus' actions in the video are controlled by a single neural network, a major leap forward in robotics AI. Instead of requiring individual programming for each motion or behavior, Optimus learns from first-person human videos. This means the robot is training itself by observing how humans naturally perform these tasks, allowing it to generalize and adapt faster than traditional robotic systems. This method cuts down on development time dramatically. It's more scalable and far more human-like in the way it learns. The fact that all these capabilities, from cleaning to cooking to handling auto parts, are executed by a unified neural architecture is a massive technical achievement. It's not a patchwork of scripts, it's one intelligent system. Household chores, human-level dexterity. The video starts with a sequence that feels almost surreal. Optimus walks into a room, picks up trash, and tosses it in a bin. Then it grabs a broom and begins sweeping the floor with smooth, natural motions. Next, it transitions to using a vacuum cleaner with realistic coordination. These aren't rigid, pre-programmed movements. They're adaptive. The most mind-blowing moment might be when Optimus tears a single sheet of paper towel off a roll, without shredding it or pulling the whole roll loose. That's a task involving fine motor control, subtle grip pressure, and timing. For a robot, it's notoriously difficult. For Optimus, it looks effortless. Cooking, Tesla's literal kitchen moment. But the real headline moment? Optimus walks over to a stove and begins stirring a pot of food. Carefully, smoothly, no spillage, no clumsy arm flails. This isn't science fiction, this is happening now, in real life. The robot appears to be managing temperature sensitivity, grip force, and coordinated limb movement all at once. Stirring food is deceptively complex. It requires balance, perception, and continuous adaptation. That Tesla's robot is now capable of this is a jaw-dropping signal of how far general-purpose robotics has come. Household intelligence in action. In addition to cleaning and cooking, Optimus is seen opening cabinets and closing curtains, each action requiring the robot to identify and interact with different materials and surfaces. Whether it's gripping a handle or adjusting its arm to reach the right height, Optimus is making decisions in real time, not simply playing back a script. This kind of dynamic environmental awareness is what sets apart a general-purpose robot from a single-function machine. And Optimus is clearly aiming to be the former. Strength meets precision, industrial work. Tesla's humanoid isn't just designed for homes. In a later part of the video, Optimus picks up a Model X4 Link, a hefty automotive component, and gently places it onto a dolly. The contrast between power and control is striking. This task highlights Optimus' potential in industrial environments, handling parts, working alongside human technicians, and performing repetitive tasks that require both precision and endurance. It's not hard to imagine Optimus on the Gigatex's factory floor one day, moving seamlessly between stations. Learning from the internet. After the demo, Milan Kovac, Tesla's vice president for Optimus, shared even more exciting news. The Optimus team has recently achieved a major breakthrough, teaching the robot using video footage from the internet. Right now, Optimus learns best from first-person video, but the team is working to expand that capability to include third-person videos, such as random clips of humans performing tasks online. This would be a monumental step toward autonomous learning. Rather than needing costly teleoperation data or controlled lab footage, Optimus could eventually learn new behaviors simply by watching YouTube or TikTok videos of people cooking, cleaning, or assembling products. Natural language plus multitasking. Even more impressive? Optimus can now respond to natural language prompts, whether spoken or typed. That means you could potentially say something like, "Clean the kitchen and then make me soup," and the robot would understand and execute those tasks, all managed by the same neural network running inside the robot. This level of multitasking, powered by a single architecture, is nearly unheard of in robotics today. It's the kind of general intelligence that brings us closer to the dream of a real-world assistant. Reinforcement learning in simulation. To make Optimus even more capable, Tesla is integrating reinforcement learning into both real-world and simulated environments. Using self-play, Optimus can repeatedly practice tasks, virtually or physically, until it perfects them. This dramatically increases the speed and reliability of skill acquisition. By blending data from reality with advanced simulation platforms, think world models and synthetic environments, Tesla is building a robot that gets better with every iteration without relying solely on human supervision. Just days before the cooking demo dropped, Tesla delivered another showstopper, this time in the form of a surprisingly graceful dance performance. On May 13, 2025, Elon Musk posted a video of Optimus executing a complex choreographed routine, sparking both excitement and skepticism across the tech world. Viewers were amazed by the fluidity of the movements but quick to point out a slack cable visible on the robot's back, questioning how autonomous the performance really was. But Tesla didn't leave the debate hanging. Less than 24 hours later, on May 14th, the Optimus team posted a follow-up video with a cheeky caption, "Was just getting warmed up." This time, the robot performed the same dance routine, without the cable. No tethers. No support lines. Just a fully untethered humanoid robot executing pivots, steps, and full-body coordination with dynamic balance and no external assistance. This addition brings the narrative full circle, first the dance, then the household capabilities, painting a clear picture of Tesla's fast-paced progress across multiple robotic domains. This is no longer a theoretical project. Tesla Optimus is in motion, and it's stirring pots, lifting car parts, and taking out the trash, all in one demo. From Elon Musk's Giga Texas interview to this stunning reveal, it's clear that Tesla is going all in on humanoid robotics. Optimus might still be in development, but the progress shown here signals a future where general-purpose robots are part of everyday life, at home, in the kitchen, or on the factory floor. If Tesla continues at this pace, Optimus could redefine what it means to have a personal assistant, not in your phone, but walking beside you. So here's the big question. If you had an Optimus robot in your home, what's the first task you'd want it to handle? Let us know in the comments. We'd love to hear your ideas. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss our next deep dive into the future of robotics, AI, and emerging tech. Thanks for watching. The robots aren't just coming, they're already cooking.